The day, okay, this poem is dedicated to my late mom. May her beautiful soul rest in peace. The day she brought me in this world, she was the nasty, the best thing never had. Through rough times, bad times, even through my misery days, she gave me hope even though I couldn't cope. Told me to stay away from dope and stay atop. Sometimes life was a flop. My mama having a sleepless night, trying to fight what would be there to eat. She will sit in the dark alone with her clothes torn, gone, but she came up strong and took the throne to raise me right. With a whole lot of tears we shed, but she always cared as a real mom. I will never forget that. Through our misery days, praying for change, hoping to get a chance, our lives was always tense. Watching our neighbors through the fence, eating all kind of fancy food, collecting plastic bottles for recycling was a tool for survival. Our mom was always there to protect and make sure our belly was never empty. Even though life was a hard knockout, she will tell us to kneel down and bow to the Lord and pray to get through the day. We were the monkers of the community, and unity was our number one priority to avoid isolation so that it won't affect the next generations. Cut.